Today is a back in the day, what's in the box look, and that is the Calsonic Nissan Primera kit from Tamiya. We're going to go back in the 90s, back into the early 90s with this one. So let's get to it. Hey everyone, and welcome into the garage for today's back in the day, what's in the box. And we're taking a look at the Calsonic Nissan, or the Nissan Calsonic Primera JTCC kit from Tamiya. This kit was initially, and its only release, in 1995. It followed the Castrol version, which was released in 1994. Both of these kits were basically a one and done run. They have not, Steeling has not seen the light of day since. It'd be great if it's even possible for these kits to get a reissue. I would love to see that happen. Just mainly so I can get the Castrol version at a decent price. I'm not sure if I'm ever going to get lucky like I did with this one and grab one of the Castrol versions for the same low price. You can still get either one of these. They still are like listed on eBay, but they're kind of pricey. Although the price seems to be coming down a little bit over the last couple of years. They're not going for as much money as they once were a few years ago, but they're still kind of pricey. I would love to get the matching set, get the Castrol to have a matching set one day, so we'll see what happens. Also, one of the aftermarket decal guys did a set of decals for both this one and the Castrol version, you know, doing a fresh set of decals. If they're still even available, and if I can ever remember who did them, I will post the links in the description. So with that, let's get to it, and let's check out the Nissan Primera. And getting us started with the body, as you can see, it's molded in a nice shade of blue. And now getting started with the chassis parts tree. And moving right along to the next parts tree, which contains the rest of the parts. Now the clear parts tree. Now take a look at the wheels. And hiding on the wheels parts tree are a few other pieces. Looks like the mirror faces, maybe, and possibly an exhaust tip, maybe. And now take a look at the tires. The race slicks. You see, they're pretty shiny too. And now take a look at the decal sheets, and there's a set of tire transfer decals. Or tire transfers, they're not really. And the first decal sheet. And the second decal sheet. So that is going to do it for this look at the Nissan Calsonic Primera JTCC kit from Tamiya. One day I do hope to get myself the Castrol version so I can have both the matching set. And there are some available, they're just a little bit pricey. I hope to get lucky like I did with this one day on the Castrol one. Price-wise, that I mean. So on that note, thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.